Hey guys, Ryan Smith with the Ryan Smith Home Selling Team here to discuss, should I make repairs before listing my home and putting it on the market? So one of the things I very commonly hear from sellers is they're often asking me, should I just sell my house as is, or should I make repairs to this house? And if I should make repairs, which things should I actually repair inside the house? Well, these are really good questions and something I really want to go on the record and answer for you today. So number one, if we're kind of in that situation, we're asking those questions, there's a few steps that you should work through to handle this. So number one, you want to have a good pre-listing meeting. So this is going to be a meeting with you and your real estate agent where before the house ever even goes on the market, we're going to sit down and we're going to look through the house, right? And we're going to consider what it is that needs to be done. Is this cosmetic things that all need to be done? Are these maintenance issues that need to be handled? How much do we think all this is going to cost? And you should have a discussion of, I think I'm open to these things. I think I might be open to those things. It's just getting an idea of what you're really dealing with, right? So initially you want to have that pre-listing meeting. Once you've had that meeting, we're going to really break all those repairs down into two categories, which is going to be cosmetic repairs and then maintenance repairs. So here's the interesting thing. There's pros and cons with each one of these things. Cosmetic repairs are generally going to improve your net on the property more. Speaking from experience with thousands of home buyers and sellers, I can tell you that a lot of buyers are really interested in what the house looks like cosmetically more than anything, right? So I'm not saying they don't care about the other, because I'm going to touch on that in just a second. But I will say that the first impression is what comes from cosmetics. And so if you fix the cosmetic things, it's generally going to raise the value or your net on the house more dramatically than fixing the maintenance things. However, cosmetic things really aren't likely to be a sticking point when you get into negotiations. However, maintenance issues will. So if there are big maintenance issues that you leave unaddressed and then you have a home inspection, you can be pretty sure these issues are going to come back and rear their head again in an ugly way. So typically what you want to do is find a way to address some of both of these things if you can. What are the high return things that I can do cosmetically to help get the best return on my investment, or a maintenance standpoint if some of those things are needed? Which things make sense to address and which things don't? Number three, as we're considering this, you just have to know that proper repairs, if you fix the right things, it's really going to expand your buyer pool. So if we don't fix them, you're narrowing down. If there's cosmetic things to be done, now you're narrowing your buyer pool down to a smaller window of people who are okay with putting money into a house cosmetically when they move in. Or if there's major maintenance issues that are left unaddressed, you're narrowing it down to a much smaller number of buyers who are going to be willing to buy a house with large issues. And if there are issues unaddressed, oftentimes they're going to give you a significantly lower price, right? You just have to know, as you fix things, you're going to be expanding that buyer pool out, making it bigger. And so you're going to be appealing to a broader amount of people. That normally helps you sell your house for more money in a faster amount of time, because there's going to be more demand as you open it up to a larger pool of buyers. So hope that makes sense. So I hope that was helpful for you. The three things to remember as you're chewing through this. If you have more questions about this or anything in real estate, by all means, please reach out. We love you guys. We're here to care for you. You can find us on the web. That's ryansmithhomes.com. Once again, ryansmithhomes.com. Or give us a ring at the office, 254-213-5335. Once again, 254-213-5335. This is Ryan signing off for now, but look forward to catching up with you on our next video.